Hey everyone, it's Jim! Welcome back to the channel where we turn marketing dreams into money-making realities. Today we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Affiliate marketing can seem like a maze of complicated strategies and confusing jargon, but trust me, it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm going to break down the entire process of building a successful affiliate marketing program into 8 simple, actionable steps. We're talking about everything from defining your goals and finding your perfect audience to creating killer ad creatives and optimizing your campaigns like a pro. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and the alert bell so you don't miss out on any of our money-making tips. And while you're at it, smash that like button if you're ready to boost your affiliate income and start seeing those commission checks roll in. Before you even think about launching an ad campaign, we need to lay a solid foundation. That means defining your goals and setting clear KPIs or key performance indicators. What do you want to achieve with your affiliate marketing efforts? Are you looking to build brand awareness and get your name out there? Maybe your focus is on generating leads and building your email list. Or perhaps you're all about driving sales and boosting that revenue. Whatever your goals, make sure they're specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Those SMART goals we all know and love. Setting clear KPIs will allow you to track your progress, see what's working, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns for maximum profitability. Remember, you can't improve what you don't measure. Now that you know what you want to achieve, it's time to figure out who you want to reach. This is where audience targeting and segmentation come in. You see, blasting your message to everyone is like throwing spaghetti at a wall and hoping it sticks. Instead, we want to use laser-focused targeting to reach the people who are most likely to be interested in what you're promoting. Think about your ideal customer. What are their interests? What are their pain points? Where do they hang out online? Use the advanced targeting options available on platforms like Facebook and Google to narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even their online activity. Remember, the more relevant your ads are, the higher your click-through rates and conversion rates will be. You've got your goals set and your audience defined. Now it's time to create some eye-catching, attention-grabbing ad creatives that are going to stop people in their tracks and make them want to click. Your ad creatives include everything from the images and videos you use to the copywriting and call to action. Here's the thing, you need to make sure your creatives are not only visually appealing, but also relevant to your target audience and the products you're promoting. Use high-quality images and videos that showcase the benefits of the product. Keep your copy concise, clear, and benefit-driven. Don't forget to include a strong call to action that tells people exactly what you want them to do. With your goals, audience, and creatives ready to go, it's time to build the structure of your campaign. This is where you'll choose your campaign objective, define your target audience, select your ad placements, set your budget, and schedule your ads. Think of your campaign structure as the blueprint for your affiliate marketing success. It's where you'll bring all the pieces together and set the stage for your ads to reach the right people at the right time. Take your time, explore the different options available on your chosen platform, and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Specifically, how much you're going to spend on your affiliate marketing campaigns. This is where budgeting and bidding strategies come into play. First things first, you need to decide whether you want to use a daily budget or a lifetime budget for your campaigns. A daily budget sets a limit on how much you're willing to spend each day, while a lifetime budget allocates your spending over the entire duration of your campaign. Next, you'll need to choose the right bidding strategy based on your goals. Are you aiming for the lowest cost per click, or are you willing to pay more to reach a specific target audience? Experiment with different bidding strategies and monitor your results closely to find the sweet spot for your budget. Launching your campaigns is just the beginning. The real magic of affiliate marketing happens when you start tracking your results, monitoring your key metrics, and optimizing your campaigns for maximum performance. Remember those KPIs we talked about earlier? This is where they really come in handy. Use tools like Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics to track conversions and see how your ads are performing. Monitor key metrics like click-through rate, cost per click, cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, and conversion rate to get a clear picture of what's working and what's not. The world of online marketing is constantly changing, and what works today might not work tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to embrace a mindset of continuous testing and scaling. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ad creatives, target different audiences, and adjust your bidding strategies to see what delivers the best results. As you start to see what's working, don't be afraid to scale up your successful campaigns. Gradually increase your budget, expand your target audience, and explore new ad placements to reach even more potential customers. Let's face it, managing your affiliate marketing campaigns can get pretty time-consuming. That's where automation tools come in to save the day. Automation tools can help you streamline your campaigns, save time, and scale your efforts without breaking a sweat. Explore tools like Adespresso or Hootsuite Ads for Facebook ads automation, Google Ads, scripts for automating bidding and reporting, and email automation platforms like Klaviyo or Omnisend for abandoned cart recovery, and personalized product recommendations. There you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to building a successful affiliate marketing program. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't about getting rich quick. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway and share it with your fellow affiliate marketers. And remember to subscribe and hit the alert bell so you don't miss out on any of our money-making tips. See you in the next video.